Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do another look using Huda Beauty's new nude palette, and so I gravitated towards the purples because I know I haven't done a purple look in a while. I know it's not a fall look or anything, but I mean it could be if you want to, maybe like a winter look. I don't know, but it was fun to do. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, please keep watching. I'm going to start by priming my eyelids using Huda Beauty's Overachiever Concealer in Coconut Flakes. I'm just gonna dot a bit of that on my lid. And I'm gonna use this Anastasia Beverly Hills A6 blending brush to just blend that out. I'm gonna set that using Huda Beauty's Easy Bake Setting Powder in Banana Bread. I'm gonna go over that with my Face Bacon Blend Brush, also by Huda Beauty. This is just going to be a nice Huda Beauty tutorial. So for my eyeshadow today, I'm going to be going in with Huda Beauty's new nude palette. And I'm going to start by going in with Lace as my transition shade. And I'm going to take this color on my Morphe JH36 blending brush. And I'm just going to make sure that this color goes in a circle around my lid. A semicircle, actually. So next I'm going to deepen that up by going in with Spanked. And I'm going to be taking that on my JH37 blending brush. And to make sure all of these colors are blended seamlessly, go back in with Lace. And just make sure it's smooth. And to get a little bit more darkness, I'm going to be going in with Love Bite. And I'll be taking this on my Morphe S20 pencil brush. We're just going to get this directly in the crease. And as always, go back in with your previous colors. Just make sure all those lines are blending out nicely. So now what I'm going to be doing is going back in with that concealer, Coconut Flakes, and cutting the center of my crease. So first I'm going to start by grabbing some of that concealer on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A2 flat concealer brush. Next, I'm going to take some of that concealer on an eyeliner brush, and this is just a brush that I got from the craft store. And I'm just going to make sure those lines are precise. And before I do the next eye, I'm actually going to set this using that same Huda Beauty powder and that brush I used to blend out my concealer on my eyelid. So next for this look, I'm going to be going over that cut crease with Daydream. And it looks pretty purple, but I think it's going to end up being pink. So let's see. I'm going to start by using my finger. And then cleaning off my concealer brush. So next I'm going to go in with that S20 pencil brush with Love Bite. And blend these two together. I'm also going to grab some of that lace and put that closer to the center. Now under my eye, I'm going to go in with that Love Bite. Like that. I'm going to use a big fluffy brush to blend that out. So now I'm going to go in with some eyeliner. I'm going to use Morphe's liquid eyeliner in Blackout. And I'm just going to go right against my lash line with this. And I'm not going to do a wing. I'm just going to stop it. So the next thing I'm going to do is go in with some lashes, and I'm going to be using LuxyLash, and this is Damn Gina. Next for mascara, I'm going to be going in with Lancome's Monsieur Big. I just butchered that French, but that's okay. So next I'm going to go in with contour, and I'm going to be using Morphe's Brontour in Frenemy. And I'm going to go in with my JH03 brush. And to contour my nose, I'm going to be going in with the matte side of this Brontour. Just blend that out. So now for my blush, I'm going to be going in with Morphe's 8C Cool Pro Blush Palette. And I'm going to be going in with It Girl. I'll be taking this on my Sigma F15 blush brush. And now for highlight, I'm going to go in with Morphe's 8S Stellar Impact Palette. And I'm going to be going in with Galactic. I'll be taking this on my JH06 brush. I'm also going to use this on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A25 brush. And Cupid's bow. Now for my inner corner and brow bone, I'm going to go back in with that Daydream. And for my inner corner, I'm just going to grab some of that on my pinky. And for my brow bone, I'm going to grab some of that on my JH39 pencil brush. And lastly, for the lips, I'm going to be going in with Huda Beauty's Demi Matte in Dayslayer. and this is the final look. So I hope you guys liked this look. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Please leave your thoughts on this look or any questions or requests you have below in the comments, and I will get back to you. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one.